just in the kitchen. It's Thanksgiving, yay! I'm doing all kinds of Thanksgiving things. I'm so excited. And I get to have two Thanksgivings, one with you guys and the other one with my family. So this one is for you guys. It's my Friendsgiving. And I want to say thank you this past year for all the likes, the comments, the joins, the sharing. I just thank you. Thank you for liking me on YouTube. Thank you for liking me on Facebook. I just want to thank you, and I want your family to have a blessed Thanksgiving. So let's start. I am making a Moscato rosemary cranberry sauce. It is an upscale cranberry sauce. It is so good. It has pears and apples. Very easy. Here's my pot. Here are my cranberries. I have orange zest and lemon zest. Put it in there. I have my apples and my pears. That will be the thickening agent. I have orange and lemon juice in here. Sugar. I have 1 2/3 cup of sugar. If you like it a little sweeter, you can put in a little bit more. Then just about a teaspoon of rosemary. Just enough to give it that, say what? And then you can see, let me see, I will measure out this Moscato. It is half a cup. I don't know where the other went. Ta-da! Now what I'll do, stir it, put it on the heat. It's going to start to liquefy, and then it'll start popping the little cranberries. Pop, 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 pop. So I will show you what that looks like when it starts popping. Yep, try and get, yeah, in there. See what I mean about popping? I don't know if you can see that. Yep, there you go. Oh, man overboard. Huh. So what I'm going to do is let this go on simmer. It's all done. I let it simmer for 5 minutes. Then this is something you can make 2 days ahead of time. Then you can put it in the refrigerator and it'll thicken up. And you don't have to worry about the kids not getting alcohol because it's all cooked off. So I will show you tomorrow what this looks like because it's got to sit overnight. You want to make sure it has chilled. And it's beautiful. It is so gorgeous. You can see the pieces of fruit, the apples and the pears, and the cranberries in there are a dark red and they pop. And the zest of the lemon and the orange, a little bit of rosemary to give it that little aha. Ooh. So this I could eat by the spoonful. Right here I've got. Make sure you don't cook it so much that your fruit loses some of its firmness, that it's just mush and it gets incorporated. I just got a bite of pear and that was wonderful. I'd like to start by thanking all of my followers and wishing them a happy Thanksgiving. This is Thanksgiving Eve. Tomorrow's the big day, and it makes me think, what am I thankful for? I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful for my friends. I'm thankful for the gifts God gave me, cooking and other things like that. And I'm thankful that He brought you guys into my life because you are a blessing. So I just want to say happy Thanksgiving. If you feel led, go and subscribe to YouTube. Go and subscribe to Facebook. Remember, ring the bell and you will get notification of when these recipes are done. I want a little of everything. I want cranberry. That little bit. It's sweet, it's tart, perfect for your turkey. Thank you. God bless. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Bye.